The death toll in the massive fire after blast at firecracker factory in Gujarat has now risen to 18. The blaze that broke out at Deepak Traders triggering utter chaos and hindering rescue efforts as the factory slab collapsed. This according to the district collector. Firefighters from Disa municipality responded to the scene along with 108 ambulance teams. Those are the pictures on your screens of how the personnel tried to douse off that fire. But extremely unfortunate, even as the efforts are underway, that the death toll has now risen to 18. A firecracker factory in Gujarat that caught fire, and every possible effort being made to douse off that fire, but 18 human lives lost. In fact, we are learning that it's not 18. The death toll has now increased to 21. Those are the official numbers that have been released. 21 lives lost in the firecracker blast at that factory in Gujarat. We'll also change the numbers on our screens right now, where the death toll has risen to 21. 21 lives lost in that firecracker factory that caught fire in Gujarat. Let me cut across to Gopi, joining us on the phone line with further details. Gopi, over to you.
Yes, Suyesha. So what we are learning from Gujarat is this happened in Disa, wherein there is this Deepak Traders factory which was making firecrackers, while the owner Khub Chand is missing. While also let's tell our viewers that he had got permission only to sell the crackers and not make those crackers. So this blast exactly happened because of the explosive elements which were present in the workshop of firecrackers. While 21 laborers have lost their lives, 4 were children among them, and the government has now announced, Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has announced that 4 lakh will be given to the family members of the deceased, while 50,000 would be given to the family who has injured relatives. While also what we are learning from our sources is SDRF team as well as FSL team is on the spot, while all the raw materials as well as body parts of few of the laborers who were inside flew away to 200 meters. So we will have to wait and watch what kind of updates we will be getting back on this story. Yes, back to you, Suyesha.
All right, Gopi, many thanks for getting us those details.